EdmoLift was established back in 1964 by engineer Torbjörn Edmo. It has since become a company that develops, manufactures, markets and sells lifting tables and offers solutions for lifting problems and other material handling issues. EdmoLift has delivered more than 100,000 units during the years, which means that their products can now be found worldwide. This makes it the company with the widest product range in the business, and more or less a one-stop shop when it comes to products providing lifting solutions. In the Western world today, health and safety is a big issue. It costs society huge amounts of money every year. Bad backs, bad necks and bad shoulders due to poor ergonomics are a very big reason for sickness and absence from work. Therefore, it's important that companies invest in lifting products in order to improve ergonomics and avoid illness.
So if you invest in products improving the ergonomics, you get something that we like to call the ergonomical profit. And that's only one side. The other side is that with our products and our solutions, you also improve the productivity and the efficiency in your process. So actually you have double profits. We want the product to be as functional as possible in design. We also look for synergies when it comes to the production and purchase, that it should be as many parts in common with the rest of the existing product range. Every operation should be very efficient and it should be very easy to assemble the products and so forth. And if we manage to combine all these factors, we have a very competitive and good product as an end result. A very clear trend in the Western world is that we see more and more requirements for customized solutions. And in most cases, we can take one of our standard products and do adaptations to that in order to comply with the requirements. It could be widening the scissors, extending the platform or widening the platform, and build different accessories and options on the platform top. But in some cases, the requirements are so unique that we more or less have to start with a blank drawing board.
Today, EdmoLift controls the whole production process, from raw steel material to fully assembled and ready-to-be-used products. The complete production process at EdmoLift begins with processed raw steel material, which is cut by a laser cutter. Then it goes through a bending process and a welding process. From there, the pieces are sent to the painting line. The hydraulic power packs are also assembled at EdmoLift to ensure maximum efficiency and quality. At the final assembly shop where the 4 modules meet up, base frames, power packs, scissors and platforms all come together. And after the final testing, the product is ready to be shipped to customers all over the world.
We see many advantages and benefits by having the control of the whole process. We have managed to cut down our lead time with 50%. By having all these different functions and the control of the whole process, we see clear synergies and dynamics between the different functions in the company. We can react faster, we can offer exact and short delivery times, and we have a 100% of the quality. The total environment here at EdmoLift has become more dynamic, and I think we learn from each other, from the different functions, something new every day.
To be climate smart is something that comes naturally for EdmoLift. This is mostly shown by their latest investment in a powder coating painting line, which is very environmentally friendly.
We have also invested a lot in energy recycling equipment. So we can actually recycle 80% of the power consumption that this new painting line consumes. It's about responsibility. We want to take care about this planet, and we have to think about coming generations. So for us it's something very natural, and it feels very good to invest in this kind of energy saving equipment.
EdmoLift sees the Western world today as a more or less mature market when it comes to lifting products, while investments in new factories and production facilities is being found in more and more low-cost countries instead.
In those countries, ergonomics is not yet a factor, so the demand for lifting tables in those countries are more related to infrastructure topics. So what they need is dock lifts for the loading bays, they need elevators between different floors in their storages or the factories buildings, car lifts, goods elevators. A clear trend in the Western world is that we are working with more and more customized solution to optimize our customers' flow in their production lines and to solve problems when it comes to move material from different levels, from level A, B, C.
EdmoLift always aims to deliver a product or solution with the best value for money, and always want their customers to feel respected, appreciated, valued, listened to, and comfortable when choosing EdmoLift as their future business partner.
The customer is the most important thing in the life of EdmoLift. If we listen good, they will help us to improve our products, our way of working, and we can look forward to a long, fruitful business relation.